up then.
Hot rivets coming through. Look out below.
And ho! Heave and ho! Heave now, lads. Bring it left. Steady on the line. Right, send down the chains for the next one. Hold her steady now. Mind the swing. She's plumb true. We're ready for the lift. That line holds true at the mark.
Confirmed. Straight as she goes.
This line here, ensure the offset is exact before marking.
Aye, recognised. We will double check the measurement now.
Hold the line steady. Watch the curvet coming through. Slow it down! All right, take the strain. Steady now, bring her left. Easy, easy, lower away. Make sure the punches align before they lift her. They're good to go, foreman. Clear the way for the crane. That's plumb. Hold her there, lads. Get the marks down. Hold her steady, lads. It's nearly true.
Hey, tightening this brace now.
Check that plumb line again. Easy now, watch the marks. Hold her steady. Hot one up.
Got it.
All right, drive it home.
Hot rivets coming through. Look out below.
Easy now, bring her down slow. Oh! Watch the gap on this side. Hold it there, that's the mark. Steady now, keep the pace, lads. Next plate. Hold it steady, lads. A little to the left. Aye, she's seated. Pass the spanner. Hold her tight and get the gang ready for riveting. Easy now, bring her down to the line. Got the pin ready. Drive it home. Keep it tight there. All right, I'm hitting it.
Spare along the run.
Hey, the readings confirm it. Half-inch deviation. More pressure on the starboard side. Check the template now. Is it holding? Looks good, keep it moving. Right, all together now. Put your back into it. We need more leverage on this side. This rivet here, it must be replaced.
Hey. All right, lads, steady on.
Station 42, the rise of the floor is correct.
Hold fast on that batten. We need the shear measurement at frame 90.
Steady on the pressure now.
Template checks clear, send her through.
Heave accordingly. Lower the gear. Watch yourselves below. Steady as she goes. Hold it steady. Keep it clear of the combing. Bring her down slow. Hard to port now. Heave now. Hold it steady. Clear the bar. Slide it home. Easy, easy. Hold the line steady.
A foot more to the west.
Oh, she's settling now.
That sits flush now. Check the movement.
Aye, smooth as silk. The brass is shining well. Mind the swing, lad. Don't drop the pot.
Aye, nearly lost it there. Hand me the brush.
All right, she's nearly seated. Check the pins. Hook's engaged. Pins secured, sir. All fast. And ho! Heave and ho! Steady on the line! Heave and ho! Just a fraction more to starboard. Steady.
Confirmed, adjuster. She holds true.
Clear the bulkhead.
Is that tight enough there, Chowson?
Hey, hold it steady. Heave round, lads. Watch the ropes. Lower away evenly.
A little to the left, steady now. All right, set her down gently.
Name and number. Quickly now.
Thomas Andrews, 33.
Verified. Next. Lift it higher, lad.
Aye, steady now.
No weeping on this seam, sir.
Good. The gauge holds steady at 200.
Lower away, slow now.
Heave on that line. Steady, steady.
All right, bring her down easy. Watch your fingers.
Looks clear on this side, Governor.
Heave, man, heave.
That's the spot. She's perfectly level now.
Right then, I'll fetch the rag.
Check the alignment here, if you please.
Firm as expected. We can sign off on this section.
Heave away, lads. Watch the swing now.
Lower her down easy into number 2 hold.
All right, lads. Get that staging cleared away now. We're casting off soon. Stand by forward, send the heaving line away.
Godspeed to her. Hey, safe journey home.
Mark, starboard turn, 2 minutes.
Very good, carry on.